Hey guys, it's Jessica from Chalk Couture, and I am coming in to do a super quick video. A super quick video for a haul that I just gotten. It actually was, I'm hoping this is working, from Chalk Couture and my designer dollars. So let's see, do we have people in? Hi Tammy, hey Denise, hey Kelly, hey Maria, hey Meg, hey Denise, hey Moji. Yay, you guys are here. Okay, so I have this gigantic box that I am going to be opening. Now, a lot of things, obviously, you may have seen, but I've realized that we have new viewers here now. And, hey Barb, hey Tom, hey Karen, hey Jen, hey Sharon, hey Lisa, hey Jennifer, hey Karen, hi Cherie, hey Tammy, hey Helen. So yeah, I'm super excited. And oops, I probably shouldn't have had that showing. Hopefully that is out of the video range there. My address. Hi Jerry. Hi Annis. Hi Meg. Hey Karen. Hi Moji. Hi Georgette. I miss you, Ken Hess. 1 week. One more week. Oh well, a week and a day I'll be seeing you. Hi Debbie. Hi is that Ashley? Hi, Ashley. Sorry, I'm trying to look at the video. Do you guys love my new little app? How it has... Hi, Amy. Ask Jessica she met... Kenneth. I don't know your middle name, Hess. Oh, no. Don't think I won't find you at convention and tell you just how much... I will get you. Don't you even. That was the most embarrassing moment of my life. You guys should know that. Hi, Sharon. Hey, Beth. Seemed like you were gone a long time. I feel like I was gone really long too, Georgette. Hi, Danielle. Hi, Deb. Richard. Kenneth of Richard Hess. Hey, Jess. Can't wait to see. I can't wait to see you either, Catherine. I'd love to know who all is on this feed is going to be at Leadership next week. How fun will that be? Sorry, all of a sudden now, apparently, we get packages with peanuts. Yay! So now I have to open to the side. So that way, they don't go all over the place. Don't you love my singing voice? It's wonderful, isn't it? Okay, I think that was everything, except for a bazillion peanuts. Okay, gotta make this quick. We have a leadership call tonight. Okay, so let's see. Hi, Sylvia. Hi, Doreen. Hi, Alyssa. I am, and Sean McCoy is too. Yay! Goodness, can't wait. I can't wait. Hi, Heather. Yes, Denise, it was. Hi, Octavia. Wait, the peanuts dissolve in the bathtub. Wouldn't they blow up in the bathtub? Do I need to try that live and see if you're messing with me? I didn't know that. Okay, so let's take a look and see what I've got. Okay, so I'm recording. I had my reminder go off. Hi, Becky. Hi, Lisa. So I have the laundry transfer, which if you guys remember... Oh, wait. As you're coming in, guys, I would love it if you would... hit the bottom left-hand side of your mobile device. It's a share button. I would love it if you'd share this video. My website is the pin post down below, and it's also in the video now. Hi, Becky. Hi, Megan. Hi, Lisa. Mine were pink, and they dissolved. That's awesome. I will try that then. I did not even know that that was an option. See, I don't get along with science. Science wasn't my forte. Denise, thank God there was no video, is all I will say. Hey, Megan. Yeah, thank goodness. Hi, Paul. I'm praying to God at least nobody was recording. Okay, so I got 2 laundries, 2, It's So Good to Be Home. I love this one because it has Welcome to Our, It's So Good to Be. We have the Be Home, which is a lot bigger than this home, and the heart. So you can make potentially multiple different sizes of this. So like you could do it on either like our 9x12 chalkboard, you could do it on the 18x24 chalkboard, or the 12x18 size. So it looks really good. Like I think I did Welcome to Our Home. Welcome to Our, and I did the big home with on our 9x12 board, which I think it's actually packed away right now for my shows, so I don't have it. But this is an amazing transfer, guys. This was my most popular transfer at the last show I did. I had like 4 of them, and they all went with like in the first hour. It was crazy. So there's It's So Good to Be Home. So we have laundry, It's So Good to Be Home. We have the coveted vintage truck, which I was so excited that I was able to go in and snag another because guess what? Sold out, and I believe it retired. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it was retired, and I'm thinking it's because they are redoing it. I obviously won't know anything until next week, but this is the vintage truck, and I believe, hi Linda, I believe I have 3 of them. So if you want the vintage truck, which is sold out, just message me, and I am happy to take care of getting this to you. This one is spoken for one of my downline who needed one. Okay, I got the Dream, Create, Inspire. And the reason why, like I said, I've already shown these, I've already designed with these ones, but sometimes it really does help to see them in person, to see what they look like when you first get them, because everybody creates differently, and sometimes you need to see it all in one piece. Hi Linda, hi Shannon, hi Nora, hi Dan. So this is Dream, Create, Inspire. This is perfect for like anybody who is a crafter. You can make your own designs. I actually made a bunch of bags for girls that were at a crop for this one. This would be a super cute on cardstock to create a layout. Really cute. Hi, Suzanne. So that is adorable. This one I actually created with, I wonder what I did with that. I made a project with this before I left for vacation, and I obviously must have it hanging up somewhere because I don't see it. But it says, I love you with my whole heart for my whole life. I love this. Yay, Maria. Hi, Stacy. Hi there. How are you? Thanks for joining. So this is the I love you with my whole heart for my whole life. This is a perfect evergreen Hi, Sherardi. I hope I said that right. This is like a perfect evergreen sentiment because you could use this for anything. It could be interpreted as Valentine's. It could be interpreted as everyday love. It could be something that you make for a child's room, for a significant other. There's so many ideas with this, okay? So this is a super fun one. And guess what? It's super cost effective. I believe this one's only $10.99. Okay. Then we have Bloom Where You Were Planted. This is also a $10.99 one. Hi, Linda Davis Rose. Hi, Deb. So this one is super cute, and this is going to be really adorable come springtime and Easter time. Like this Charity. Hopefully I said it right now. I'm sorry. So is that for sale? It absolutely is for sale, Stacy, if you'd like it. You can get it right on my online store, which is the pin post below. It's right in the comments. Look right down there. You'll see it. You can grab it. Everything that's showing that I just showed is just transfers that we have. I realize I've been getting a lot of new guests joining my live. So I wanted to start showing things that I get for free with my designer dollars. So just so people get to see it. So we have Bloom Where You Were Planted. Like I said, this is perfect. Imagine a clay pot. You could put this on with our chalk paste on the clay pot and then seal it so that way it could stay outside, or put it on like maybe a little mini chalkboard and stick it inside a bouquet of flowers. It would be super cute. Hi, Tanya. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Oh, another Dream, Create, Inspire. Okay, now this one I love. This is Be Happy, I think it's called. Oh, Be Humble and Kind. So we have the Be Humble and Kind, Be Happy, Hive Rules, Queen Bee, a little queen crown, and the honeycomb. I love this. This was, I think, one of the first designs I made with glitter, and I did the bee, and I waited until this part dried, and then I came back and did the wings, and while the wings were still wet, I added iridescent ultrafine glitter to it, and it looked adorable. What did Ken say? What did I miss? Hi, Tanya. So, hi, Katie. This was super cute with the, like I said, iridescent glitter on it. I love that you can create a honeycomb pattern. You can use this with your other transfers. Super fun. So this one is called Be Humble and Kind. All of these you can get on my website with the exception of the vintage truck that is sold out. Enjoy the little things. This is one of my favorite transfers that are currently in the new designer kit. Just think about anything that you could put this with. Enjoy the little things. Another awesome evergreen sentiment. You can use it any color, any season, anytime. It's just awesome. Hi, Ka. Hi, Eileen. Hi, Ellen. You could do so much with this one. I just love the little curly cues and whatnot. This is a really great thing. This is actually even like a good reminder for somebody, you know, who maybe is going through a tough time as well. Maybe make them a sweet little chalkboard and remind them to enjoy the little things. So I love this. Hi, Shawnee. Okay. Next one. Oh, one of my favorite fonts. This is the Gourmet font. This font is adorable. The average size of the letters are about, let me find my laser square so that way I can measure it real quick. Ow! I can measure the letters real quick. If I remember correctly, it was about 1.5 inches. Yeah, they're about 1.5 inches high. And, oh God, I'm going to make a mess here. They have uppercase and lowercase, if I recall, and numbers, which is great. There's tons of letters in here, obviously. Great price as well on this sentiment set. This is, like I said, the Gourmet font. Hi, Marianne. Hi, Brittany. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Luann. So I love this font set, Gourmet font. Next one is the Mr. and Mrs., which, you know, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't think I ever designed with this. I own it, and I don't know that I ever made something with it. But this is fantastic to have on hand for creating wedding gifts. Imagine on just a simple, beautiful chalkboard, one of our gorgeous either 9x12 or 12x18 chalkboards, and putting Mr. and Mrs. and giving this as a wedding present for someone to remember their day. Hi, Rach. So this is another super fun transfer set. They have multiple ways of saying it. Mr. and Mrs., Mrs. and Mrs., Mr. and Mr. You could do so many things with this, and that's what I love about it. It's not automatically connected. You can personalize it however you need to. Hey, girl. So that's that one. Then I have multiple of the Welcome Established, because this was another really big one that sold at my last vendor event that I did. People really enjoyed the Welcome Established. This you could do on anything. I love that you could, and I'm going to say grandma upline, because it was the first time I ever seen it. She went and purchased a bunch of paint, like they were like canvas paintings from IKEA. And she, hi Carol, she utilized this sentiment over the canvas painting in the background, distressed it a little bit, and made this also as a wedding gift. This is a perfect wedding, housewarming picture for yourself. I used the welcome along with the birds of a feather branches and hung the cut apart hearts on it on my chalkboard. So the welcome was awesome for it. Everybody loves the welcome. You can use it for so much. And of course, the established, you can even just cut it off and just say EST. And you could do the year that people that were married. You could even use the Gourmet font. It would look super cute. But yep, I got 2 of them. And then we've got some of the Valentine ones. We have sugar cookies, which everybody loves this one. I love that this, even though it is a 18x24 size. Hi, Stephanie. I love that it's cut in half. It makes it way more manageable to create with this transfer now that it's broken in half. It's super cute, super awesome. I love that it's the entire sugar cookie recipe. I have mine on a frame that I plan on putting up on my kitchen once I'm going to admit something. I still have Christmas decorations up. Please don't judge me. I just have not had time to take them down. So I plan to put that up. So I can't wait. Yay! The next one is one of my absolute favorites. to have, not just for Valentine's Day, it just happened to come out with the Valentine's release, but this is perfect because I used to say this to my son all the time. I love you, a bushel and a peck and a hug around the neck. It's just such a beautiful little saying. I did this on our black 12 by 18 chalkboard, and it came out beautiful. The distressing on that board, as well as the colors that I chose. I did Caribbean, magenta, lilac for the hearts, and white for the dots. Came out super cute. Hi, Jillian. Hi, Belinda. And then finally, we have You're the Sweetest. So this could be used for multiple things. This is perfect for a bridal shower. This is perfect just for an everyday saying. This is perfect for a birthday. You could do so much with this one. I love it. I actually just have You're the Sweetest with the cake on the pedestal, but you could put the pedestal with the cupcake with the dome lid over. Super stinking cute, guys. As you're coming in, I would love it if you'd share my video, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device. Additionally, my website is the pin post below, and it is also, I guess I'll go like this. It's also mentioned right here in the video. So, super fun. And then the last thing that I got for free with my designer dollars was, oh my goodness, Ken Hess. If you are doing a recap, I wonder what you were going to talk about. I just had a notification come up. So, the final thing here is, ooh, lots and lots of chalk paste. Oh my goodness, I have so many colors in here. Nantucket, lilac, lime green. Ooh, look at those 3 colors right there. Right off the bat. Lots of white, lots of lemon. Oh my goodness, there is so many. Canary. Ooh, aquamarine. Oh, my favorite, Thai teal. Let's see. Oh, here's my other favorite, Caribbean. I don't want to take all of these goofy pink things out. Sand. Oh, that's a beautiful color too. Oh, what else is down here? Coral, gorgeous. Oh, there is so much chalk paste. I love it. Is this purple? Purple. Look at the pretty colors. Oops, there's my address. We don't need to show that. Periwinkle. Hi, Chantel. Hi, Cheryl. Let's see what else. I think this is Coastal, maybe. Coastal. And more Coastal. I think that might be all the colors I got that I needed to have for my store. Oh, bubblegum. And this be Periwinkle. What color is this? Magenta. That's, I think, for me, because I need a new magenta. Orchid. White. What color is this? More orchid. Yeah, I think that's it for my colors. So how's that for a haul video, guys? Isn't that awesome? Ooh, I'm so excited. I love to stock up my store with new stuff. So you can put the hearts from the truck are in the cake holder. Super cute, absolutely. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Tiffany. Hi, Rhonda. Okay, guys, I am going to hit the road because I realize I am running a little late for my leadership call. So I'm going to jump on there now. If you would wish to purchase anything, go ahead and click the link to my online store, which is mentioned below. And I would love it if you'd once again share my video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.